Peace out, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me how I look. It's been like a cleaning day and busy day, and of course I wait till the last minute to do my video because I bought some shrimp and I only bought a couple of pounds, and they are really pretty. I didn't buy them. I bought them peeled already and headed. Then I think I'm gonna incorporate some pasta, garlic for sure, and I have this. I found this in the store, and this is the same company that I always tell you guys about. It's probably close to the same seasoning I already have, but there's directions on here. There's options for different recipes with butter, garlic. I chopped my garlic because of course you want lots of garlic. It goes really well. But I think I've got my water boiling. I think I might make a little pasta, make a little bit of shrimp. It's gonna be a small recipe because Ella didn't eat shrimp. And these shrimp are so pretty. I should fry them, but I'm going to try to not fry them. I'm sorry, I'm watching my pot on the stove. But I think I'm going to chop a little onion, and I might use a little heavy cream, a little Parmesan cheese, or some kind of cheese, because I love cheese. But I just wanted to do a cook with me video, and let's see how it turns out. It might be awful, and I'll let you know. But I just wanted to make a video with you guys and visit. I get lonesome for you, and I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Here's the shrimp. I rinsed them and make sure I peel all the things off. But these are really, they're almost butterflied. They're really pretty. Now, they do put something on them to preserve them. I'm not sure exactly, but it's called JT Seafood, and I've gotten seafood from there many times, and they're really good. I'm only going to use this amount because I really want to use 2 recipes for this, and my other ones are in here in a bag, and I'm going to save these for a video tomorrow, hopefully, and who knows what I'm going to do with those. But my mom had I really like them boiled, just plain boiled with corn and potatoes. My mom had a salad, and she would boil the shrimp, and then she made her own salad dressing. But I'm going to use some egg noodles. Let me show you the stove. Turn my pot on high because it's almost my bedtime. You know I go to bed early, but Ella's in the shower. And I have some chicken that I made last night. I was going to make a video on that. I cooked it in an Instant Pot, but I marinated it for 2 days in that chipotle pepper McCormick seasoning. I love that stuff. And of course my Cajun seasoning. I like to add both. The chicken breasts were really big, so I kind of wanted to marinate them a little bit longer. But I'm going to use these, sorry about the noise. I need to use these egg noodles that I've been having. There is another, these are the wide egg noodles. Let's go ahead and salt our water. I have another video on my channel with a shrimp pasta dish, and the picture is not that pretty, but let me tell you, that is one of my favorite meals of all time, and it calls for egg noodles. Let me see. I don't even know how long I'm supposed to boil these. Let me get my glasses. Oh. I was trying to watch a video at the same time. I don't know if you watch Michelle and Bruce, Chickens on the Lake. My favorite people. Let's see. We're gonna add 7 to 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna cook it off. If I don't use it all, that's okay. So let's set our timer for about 7 minutes, and I'll be back when I'm gonna cook the shrimp, probably in a separate pot. And let me get my ingredients ready. I'm gonna use the same pot. I'm gonna use I don't know. You can use as much butter as you like, but I'm gonna put vegetables in here, and a lot of people don't. They just put the garlic in the. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil. Not too much, but just enough to get my vegetables. I'm gonna do my vegetables first, and I'm not one of these people that has to cook the shrimp like 3 minutes. I actually like my shrimp cooked quite a bit, and some people say that's really the incorrect way to cook them, but that's just the way I do it. But let's start with the vegetables. And I'm gonna do it's not much. It's just a little bit of red onion and a jalapeno that I grew myself. It's almost done, but it's still making a few. I'm going to leave them on there and see if they're starting to turn red, I think. But they're really, really pretty. And I take the seeds out so it won't be too hot. And you want to put a little olive oil because you don't want your butter to burn. And I got a little bit of pasta. It's like, oh, I can smell that pepper. Woo! This one might be a little hotter than I thought. I have some pepper jack cheese and Parmesan cheese grated. We're going to try that. We'll have to add a little cream cheese. We're going to see how it goes. I'm going to save that seasoning pack that I showed you for the next recipe. Let's turn this down a little bit because we don't want to burn them. But I chopped them really small so they won't take long to cook. Let's go ahead and add our garlic. And you want to add as much as you like. I have about, I don't know, probably about 5 cloves here. But you know, shrimp and garlic go really well together. You could make shrimp scampi. You could, you know, add lemon. I'm just trying this out. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I know what flavors I like. And I thought it would be fun to do a cook with me video. Oh, it smells so good. I don't want it to stick. I should have washed the pot first, I guess. And my pasta, I had to go a little bit, instead of 7 minutes, I went 8 minutes because I like it a little tender. So let's go ahead and add our shrimp. And that's probably about a pound. And I probably should have cut them in half, actually. You know what? I'm going to add a pinch more butter. You can't have too much butter in this recipe. And we're going to add some seasoning. Let's stir these up. Oh yeah, I should have cut these in half. These are really beautiful shrimp. And I cannot believe that Ella doesn't like shrimp. It just blows my mind. But, you know, to each their own. I do have some, like I said, that chicken. She can make nachos with it, burritos with it, whatever she wants. Or she'll probably eat ramen or something. So let's add a little bit of our Cajun seasoning anyway. Because you want to season your shrimp for sure. And you want to be careful with the salt because the cheese has got quite a bit of salt in it. That's probably good. So let me cook this for a couple minutes and I'll be right back. You could totally add a little lemon juice or not and eat these just like this with a little bread or something. It would be delicious. But I'm going to add some pasta. Good, smelling good. Man, I kind of hate to do anything to them, but I think what I'm going to do first is add just a little bit of heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream, actually. I think it's what it is. I can open it. And I'm just going to, I don't want it to be too much, but I need something to help melt the cheese. You could totally just let this cook down and thicken up and it'd be fine. Like there's so many options. And I think I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of cream cheese. It might not go well together, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna add about that much, not much. Just to kind of give it a little bit more creaminess. So let's let this heat up a little bit, melt. In the side of my pot. I hate when the side of my pot gets all dirty. I love that. You know, I've been taking my cream cheese out because I want to make a no-bake cheesecake, but I can't concentrate. Okay, let's see. Let's turn this down just a little bit. We're going to cook this for a minute. Let me cook this for a minute. We'll be back and add the rest of the fire down just about to medium. This is a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of pepper jack. So I'm just going to kind of add this in. Because you have to, actually I'm going to turn it down a little bit more. You don't want to burn your cheese. And I'm going to put them on a pasta that I think will go. And you want to remember the Parmesan is really salty. So be careful. Oh, I dropped it on my stove. You know, don't you hate when that happens? So we're going to just melt this. It won't take but a second. Oh, look how pretty that is. And who doesn't love pasta and cream? I mean, it's just like, it's one of my weaknesses. But here's my egg noodles. I think I'm going to add all of them, but I don't mind if it's a little juicy. I like to make these kind of dishes because it kind of makes your shrimp go further. You know, you can enjoy them a little bit better, like a gumbo, or instead of just eating them boiled. This lasts longer. Let me wipe my stove because I dropped that cheese. These stoves are so hard to keep clean. So let's stir this around. I think it needs a dash of cayenne pepper, maybe. Let's turn our fire off. Needs some color, doesn't it? But oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this or taste it with me. So let me let these flavors come together and clean up my mess. I have some green onions, but I think I'm going to add a little parsley today. It's just what it needs. Just a little color. This would be great with a salad, or I'm just going to eat it by itself. And also you can freeze this. I've done it before with my other pasta dish. I don't even know what to call this one. I'll figure it out though. So let me wait for Ella, and I cannot wait to taste this. I think it's for these shrimp are really fresh tasting. They're good. I was worried a little bit, but I really like them. And sorry, no manners today. But actually, I've been tasting. Let me get a fork. But you can add any cheese you want and make it as creamy as you want. But this is delicious. And I hope I inspired you to make a creamy, cheesy shrimp dish, noodle dish. I have to be careful because I could really overeat this, but I hope you enjoyed the video. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all my new subscribers and old subscribers. I appreciate you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.